Time's a ticking, ladies and gentlemen. Time is a ticking. Right now, it seems that the Bitcoin price is potentially on the cusp of an absolutely explosive breakout, and there are new signals flashing inside the chart right here, right now. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. First and foremost, I'd like to address the elephant in the room. And the elephant in the room is that, yes, little Jimmy, the Bitcoin price did break out. And this is nice, but it's a baby step. This is not some sort of huge trend-changing breakout. Kirby, we're going to the moon. I told you, Jay Powell, he made the printer go brrr. Yes, I understand. But what we have to understand here is that this is just a small micro breakout. And just to give you an alternate perspective on this, right? Just because we have these two lines drawn here, it's very easy to just see this for what it is, right? Oh, it's a breakout for sure, Kirby. We broke above resistance. And yes, I agree with that. But for a moment here, let's just take these lines away. Say we didn't draw them. It also does look like a horizontal range of sideways consolidation. Right, you see that. I mean, it just is what it is. So this is all very objective right now, okay? That's why I'm saying this is not some type of huge macro breakout. In fact, it's very small, but it's nice because what we're looking for right now are clues suggesting, are we looking like the bulls are possibly stepping back in, and that we're going to form a bottom and rip to a new all-time high? Or are we seeing the opposite? Are we seeing clues that are saying, hey, the bulls are weak, and that this could just wind up being a little pause in the action here before we see a continuation of the downtrend, right? So right now, what I'd like to do is observe this a little bit closer, right? And just take a look at some different indicators today. On yesterday's stream, I showed you that we did have a double bullish divergence on the one-day time frame on the RSI and the MACD indicators. If you're not subscribed, make sure right now you hit that thumbs up button for the algorithm, then hit the subscribe button, the bell, and select all so you don't miss my next upload. All right, welcome to the channel. So if you are subscribed and you saw that on yesterday's stream, today I'm going to cover some different indicators, okay? And before we even get into that, let's talk about what's happening right here with this trend line that was broken and now being retested. So we got the breakout, right? This was nice. Hallelujah. Little Jimmy was dancing on the tabletops. This is it, Kirby. We're going to the moon. I heard it a million times, ladies and gentlemen, but you know, I don't like to get too excited or too down in the dumps about any movement, right? It just is what it is. So what's happened? We saw the breakout. We've now seen a back test, and we're looking at the time of recording to potentially test back up to the top of this little breakout range. This here at about 49,600, chalk it up to 50K. If now we see that the bulls got through, got rejected, held support, and then look to break through 50K. If we can break 50K, this is another little baby step towards success for the bulls, in my opinion, right? The target, again, I was explaining this on yesterday's stream, so seriously, folks, make sure that you're watching my prior streams. I was pointing out that we do have target number one for this pattern, right? The possibly bullish falling wedge was right up here between 51 and 53K. Also, another target here for this potential little micro bull flag, right? If we take the size of the flagpole, drag it over to the potential breakout point, is also somewhere up inside this range between 51 and 53K, which is our super consolidated range of confluence, dating all the way back into early 2021, right? So for me, this is the hot spot. This is the honey hole all up inside this range. Of course, we don't have to get there. I'm just saying that from a speculative perspective, I think this whole area between 51 and 53K is a spot where the bulls could look to possibly try and test up to. Let's get this crypto. Now, what we also have to look at here, though, folks, are some of the negatives, because what happens if we get up to there? It'd be great, right? From a bullish perspective. I told you guys I'm speculating long right now. Shout out to my VIPs. You guys would know that the Don has been long speculating here. Of course, in VIP, I show you all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, everything like that. If you're not already in my VIP, I'll see you in there right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. But my VIPs would know that I've been speculating long here. So this would be amazing if we were to get up into this range. But it's the response if we get up to this range that really could make all of the difference. And I'm going to show you why right here, right now. So let's get to that. I've just turned on the one-day Keltner channels indicator. All right, folks, this is the good old Keltner channels indicator. You guys know that I love to look at this here on this stream. And on the uptrend for Bitcoin, all the way starting back in 2020, this indicator was absolutely epic. I mean, the price action traded solidly near the top of the band the whole way. When we saw it drop into the lower portion of the band, it usually acted as support and continued to trade towards the top of the band. We then saw the opposite on the downtrend, okay? Majority of the action was trading towards the bottom of the band, and when we tested up into the top side, it acted as resistance, all right? Very similar over here on this next run, same type of deal. Now we're in a spot here where it's, hey, is this more so looking like downtrend action, where we're going to see the majority of the action trade in the bottom percentile of the band? And is the second half of the band here going to act as resistance? Well, it did up here. Okay, that was only our first test. Right now, look at where we are, folks. You just can't make this stuff up. Ding, ding, ding. Chicken wings for dinner. Tofu if you're vegan. We are right there right now, testing the middle line of the one-day Keltner channel band. Let's get this crypto. And it's kind of eerie, it's a little bit eerie that we do see the top of this band in almost absolute and utter confluence with the top of this range here that for me has always been a target and always a range of possible bearish pressure to come in here, as we could see speculators begin to sell off at this range of resistance. I hope this makes sense. Keep your eye on the one-day Keltner channels indicator. We are at possible resistance right now, and then ultimately up towards my bullish targets here, we do have possible resistance once again. Oh, let's get this crypto. Give me a thumbs up here on this video for the algorithm if you are appreciating all of this thus far. Thank you. But here's one with a much more bullish view. All right, I know, right? We have to give it for both sides because we have to stay one step, at least 2 steps ahead of every other trader, bot, analyst, and algorithm inside this market to potentially crush it and get this crypto. So if you're looking at this and you only want to see me talk about bearish outcomes, it's not the right attitude. If you're watching this video and you only want to see me have a bullish outcomes, it's just not the right attitude. You need to look at this from both perspectives, right? So here we are, one-day true strength indicator, all right, the TSI. Now, folks, you can see it because I see it, and I think the whole entire world should see it. Right now, we are having a bullish cross, the blue line going above the red. We have not seen this in quite some time. The last time we had this was back in October of 2021. And what happened here, folks? Whoopsies! We saw the price absolutely skyrocket from about 40,000 all the way up to above 65,000, nearly 69,000. Of course, past performance does not indicate future results, and I'm not saying what happened then has to happen now. But what I'm saying is that we have, again, I explained this on yesterday's stream, a potential rounding bottom formation here, a potential breakout of this possibly bullish falling wedge pattern formation. And now, as it stands today, we are possibly seeing the bulls backtest old resistance, this yellow trend line along the top, old resistance, and turning it into new support to possibly prepare for the next leg to the upside up towards 51 to 53,000. Let's get this crypto. So right now, we're in a very interesting spot. To me, it's still a stalemate in terms of what we're looking at here. But when you have all of these things happening at once, we have possible resistance. We're possibly ready to break out. We have indicators flashing across of which we haven't seen in months. But we have something else here that's on the Keltner channel looking like we could be preparing for a possible push down. Folks, this leads to one thing: an explosive potential breakout. I repeat, an explosive potential breakout. Now, we can just talk about it probably for hours on end, and everybody would have a different opinion. One guy would say, Kirby, you stunod, we're going to the moon. Look at the inflation, Bitcoin, right? You're going to have your cult mentality degenerates over there saying this. Then you have the bears saying, Kirby, don't you understand? 69K was the top. We lost support here. We broke down. It's a reaction rally. We're going to test the old resistance / support, and we're going to get rejected again. I'm taking this day by day. I'm taking it candle by candle, right? I think that's the only way to look at this range here to potentially crush, eviscerate, and vanquish this next market move. And right now I'm playing it cool, calm, and collected here, folks, preparing to potentially crush this market and get this crypto. And that's why I'm telling you right here, right now, if you are not already in my VIP and you would like to see all of my real-time personal speculative trade setup ideas, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, where I'm looking to potentially put my stop loss, how I'm looking to potentially mitigate my risk, everything just like that for this potentially next explosive move, then folks, seriously, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Seriously, I'm saying it one more time. Do not miss my next important real-time VIP trade setup idea and alert. Let's go. So hold your hats here, folks. I mean, this range has the potential to absolutely wreck and decimate many, right? So do not get caught like a deer in the headlights here. Please do not get caught like a deer in the headlights here. Do not be taking that trip to Wreck City with Average Joe and James at the water cooler. You're better than that, and you deserve better than that. Have a plan, because if you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. And let me repeat that just one more time for the Moon Boys in the back. If you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. And of course, the Don does not plan to fail. In fact, the Don plans to succeed. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, if you enjoyed here today, thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all right now so you don't miss my next upload. Doing that will give you the notification. Subscribe button, bell, select all. That will give you the notification next time I upload. Welcome to the channel. Don't miss the next video. And of course, do not miss my next important real-time VIP trade setup idea and alert. Seriously, folks, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. CryptoKirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. CryptoKirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. CryptoKirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. CryptoKirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. CryptoKirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.